Hello, my name is Nia. I am the founder of Restoring the King. It's a Black men mental health and wellness brand, and we are at the Create the Space platform, and we are talking about the 6-week program. And I have 3 gentlemen up here, and Paul just went and did an amazing job. I just kind of wanted to get the afterthought. So, how do you feel going from the 6 weeks we started to now being in front of a camera and sharing your story?
I felt like I graduated, right? Like I accomplished something. I was able to speak to things that I learned.
Absolutely.
Right, and get some good feedback from the audience. Get some good feedback from yourself.
Yes.
And the brother said, "You feel clean, don't you?" I said, "I do. I do feel a little bit clean. All right, I feel like I got something off
Absolutely.
my shoulders."
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I just want to let everyone know, especially the Black men out there, that, change can really happen if you're really focused and committed on doing what you need to do for yourself first. Paul is a prime example of that. I hope you guys enjoyed his story. If you guys want to meet other men like Paul, he is a part of the Restoring the King platform. Join us. We really want you to be amongst brothers that are doing amazing things. And so just thank you so much, Paul, for being one of the pioneers, the founding 13. And I couldn't be more proud of you. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Hugs.
You pushed us out of our comfort zone. You pushed me out of my comfort zone. Allowed me space to be honest, to be really honest with myself. And having that opportunity to be honest, and you gave me some kind of tools to work through things, I then came to that realization of what I needed to do. And you gave me space and support in that. And I felt empowered.